In this video we have footwear, clothes, makeup, accessories and whatnot. I shot from Street Style Store, Agio, Mac, Da Milano, Shoppers Stop, so many things. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I'm going to do fashion, travel, lifestyle, DIYs and a lot more. And welcome back to another episode of 23 Days with Mohini. As I'm turning 23, so I'm uploading 23 videos regularly. My birthday is on 30th September, which is gone according to this video, but I'm like pre-filming it. Last year I gifted 22 gifts to Gargi for her 22nd birthday, and I made a video out of it and you guys loved it so much. Like that's the most highest I guess it's the second highest video of my channel. So wow, you guys loved it. So I thought, let me gift myself 23 gifts this time and show you guys what all I got for myself. But then I was like, do I even need these 23 things? So I thought, no, let's just get whatever I want to. So I just went out and shopped my heart out. So I have a lot of clothes, shoes, makeup, accessories and some tits and bits here and there. And also I'm going to show you what I got Gargi for her birthday. So yeah, if that's something which interests you, then keep on watching. I have no clue, but I think let's just start from right here. So if you can see this necklace, this is a very pretty necklace, golden necklace, and it has Mohini written here. For earlier I wanted it in like pure gold, but then I was like, gold की मैं ऐसी चीज़ बनवा लूँ जिसको मैं ज़्यादा पहनूँ भी ना, maybe I'll get bored of it or whatnot, I don't know. So I told my mama I want something like this in gold, and she was like, okay, I'll get it to you as a birthday gift. I was like, will I even wear it? So I thought, let me just get an artificial one. So this one is from an online store which is Classy by Balya. So this is how the packaging looks like. Oops, it had some balls in it which I just dropped, and it came in a very nice packaging like this. I just saved the packaging to show it to you guys, and I'm loving the necklace. I've already worn it like 5 to 6 times and abhi tak iski quality bahut achhi hai, and I guess it was for around 700 or 800. They also had cash on delivery, so perfect, and I'm really happy with the service. Not a collaboration, of course. Next up I have this OnePlus earphones. So if you guys know that I have a OnePlus phone, right? So OnePlus वाले earphones नहीं देते phone के साथ. So और इससे पिछला phone भी मेरे पास OnePlus ही था. उससे पहले I don't even remember कि उस phone के साथ earphones थे तो वो कहाँ गए. So I was never an earphone kind of person. I never had earphones. I never bought earphones. कभी ज़रूरत होती तो भाई के भाभी के use कर लिए. But I wanted to like try these earphones because कभी-कभी मैं शाम को जब अगर cycling जाती हूँ, maybe I'm at a public place and I want something, so I thought कि let's just get one. These are basically Bluetooth earphones and they're like very nice. These are magnetic. इसको बंद कर दो तो ये अपने आप डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाता है, इसे खोल दो तो ये अपने आप कनेक्ट हो जाता है. So that is a very good thing, and इसकी बैटरी भी काफ़ी अच्छी चल जाती है. Now I'm confused where to start. Should I show you the clothes first or should I show you the footwear or makeup? I think let's start with the makeup first and then we'll go to clothes and then shoes. So as you can see, I got something from MAC. इसमें MAC का सामान भी है but इधर उधर का सामान भी है. Let me show you everything. So first I got this Oriental Botanics की aloe vera green tea cucumber eye radiance under eye gel roll on. So this is like this and it's a roll on, so you can just apply it like this under your eyes. So basically I have tried their Oriental Botanics की aloe vera under eye gel and I loved it. I think मैंने आपको उसको किसी वीडियो में भी दिखाया, but I loved it so much. It has definitely helped me reduce my dark circles. वो मेरी ख़त्म होने वाली थी and so I thought कि let me just get another one, but let me try the roll on version because इससे थोड़ी cooling effect ज़्यादा होता है. So I got this because skincare is necessary और मैं थोड़ी बड़ी हो रही हूँ तो I need more skincare. So yeah, this is the first thing. Then I have a eyeliner. So I got the Lakme Absolute Shine Line eyeliner because why not? We girls never have like too many eyeliners. It's a very good eyeliner, like very smooth, very matte. It was I guess it's for 400. It's so worth it. It dries up like very matte. It does not smudge. So I thought let's just get an eyeliner. Next up I have a lipstick from My Glam. This is from their LIT Liquid Matte Lipstick. This is the packaging. I got it in the shade Micro Cheating. So I wanted a brown lipstick, okay? If you have seen my lipstick haul, you know that my brown lipstick was like just out, वो खत्म हो गई थी बिल्कुल. So I thought let me just get a brown lipstick. I got this, but this is like way too chocolatey. This like very dark. I wasn't expecting this color. This looks like कि अगर मैंने ये लगाया होता it looks like कि मैं अभी chocolate खा के और मैं lips से clean नहीं कर रही. It's like a very chocolatey shade. I think it looked fine with some things, but I'm not so fond of it. But yeah, I got it. Next up, I have the MAC की लिफाफे में से जो निकलना चाहिए था. I got this MAC lipstick. You must have seen this because इसको मैंने जब से लिया मैं बहुत बार यूज़ कर चुकी हूँ. मैंने इसको नहीं रखा अपने बर्थडे के लिए कि बर्थडे के बाद यूज़ करूँगी. मोस्टली चीज़ें मैंने अभी तक यूज़ नहीं करी because I wanted कि I'll use them after my birthday, but some things I've used here and there. So yeah, so this is my MAC lipstick which I just got. This is the Ruby Woo. Oh my god guys, have I ever had any lipstick better than this? MAC के lipstick भी मेरे पास और हैं, but this shade, this pigmentation, the formula, the everything is just bomb. Can you see that? It just looks so good in me. Like I anyway love red lipsticks and I'm in like love. This is the shade Ruby Woo if I haven't mentioned. So these are the first footwears which I'm gonna show. These are from Ajio. I've shown you it on my August haul, and these are how it looks like. They look like so beautiful. They are like type of stilettos and have a very pretty bow. They are like super fine quality. I have just wore them once outside. That too I couldn't find anything better. I was like I have them, I wanna wear them, so I wore them, but otherwise I have been saving it, and I think I'm gonna wear this on my birthday because my dress has a little bit of red and my nails are also like maroon, so my dress is like something very colorful. Oh, you know the dress by now, right? It's a white with some floral print, so I thought I'll wear these heels on my birthday. I guess these were for 800, so like very affordable and very nice. It was a steal. So I have one more heels right here. So these ones are the strappy ones. These are like a transparent strap and this very nice teal color. Block heels, super comfortable. I've worn these I guess 3 to 4 times easily, I can say, and I love them. Usually मैं ज़्यादा heels नहीं पहनती because they are like a pain in my ass. I just can't bear heels, okay? They hurt me a lot. But I thought ki let's just get it. It's my birthday. Let's just get heels. So I got this, but this does not hurt at all. This is like a very comfortable footwear. It's just like holds all of your feet, and then the color is so pretty. It goes with almost so many things. So yeah, and these were also for like around 800 only. So yeah, I think after all those things only my clothes are left, and I have one more thing to show it to you guys. So let me show that thing first and then we'll move on to clothes. So I got this something from Da Milano, as you must have seen. I also posted a story and you guys were like, what have you got? Last year on my birthday I got a bag from Da Milano which my brother gifted me. I've shown it to you in my what's in my bag video. So usually on my birthdays I give something really nice to myself, like an expensive thing, maybe a watch. Like I have a collection of watches which I gift myself every year, but this time I was like, let's just not get one thing, let's get bundle of things. So this is what all I got. तो मुझे कुछ तो एक लेना ही था ऐसा थोड़ा सा expensive, which isn't very expensive though, but I got this. Let me just open it, show it to you guys. Can you see that I haven't even opened it yet because I wanted to open it on camera. I just seen it when I bought it. In my birthday haul I told you that I have a card holder, but I need something which can carry cash and card both at the same place. So I was looking for something and I actually found this and I love this. So in this you can like keep your cards here, then you just open it like this. You can keep some cash here and some chiller here, and the best part is this is the card holder, right? So it's like open right here, so it has a lock something like this. So when you just do this, so the cards come out from here and then you can pick and choose and then just grab them in. And I really like that thing about this card holder, and this is something which I'm gonna use on my birthday, not before that. So those were all the things except Gargi's gift and clothes. So now let me show you the clothes. So the first one right here is this beautiful dress. Like it's a very nice purple dress. I'll insert video clips right here so you can like just watch it. So this is from Shoppers Stop. The Shopatani X Glam Lifestyle for Shoppers Stop. This was the collection and this was for 2000, and it's a very nice purple dress. So if I'll go for a party on my birthday, this is what I'm gonna wear, but I am not sure even if I'm going to party or not, because I don't think I am going to. But chalo theek hai, maine le li ek party outfit, maybe I have to. So I got a top from Zara. So I wore this in the Pani Puri challenge which I did with Simran. So I think you must have seen this top as well. So this is like a one shoulder top. It has like a very nice puff sleeve right here. It's also very puffy at the bottom. This was on sale, I guess. And let me see. So this was for 1800. I got it for 6 or maybe 700. And this like looks very classy, very nice, basic white crisp shirt, but one shoulder, very trendy. Got it from Zara. Next up, I got this very beautiful blouse from Ajio. This also has like puffed shoulder, and then the sleeves are also puffed. It comes with a cuff which has 2 buttons right here. I wore this for the video with my mama papa, and I really liked it. The color is so nice. The bell detailing, the collar, I loved it all. I love this top in overall. Next up, I have these orange pants. You must have seen this. I've worn this like 2 times, and मैंने दोनों बार Instagram पे picture डाली, and you guys loved it. I wanted something poppy, showy bottom, like, because I think I have very less bottoms which are like very poppy and showy. I usually have like basic bottoms and fancy tops, but I thought कि let me just get a like आंखों में जो कलर जाए, डिफरेंट से कलर की किसी की बॉटम. So I got this orange pants. These are paper bag waist, comes with a belt. These are from Marks and Spencer, but I got them from Ajio. Marks and Spencer is available at Ajio. And it also had a fold right here, जो कि ऐसे सिला ही हुआ है. Oh, you can open it. I've never opened it. I've always worn it like that. Oh, this is something I just realized. So I've always worn them like this, but I'm glad you can open it as well, because like when you fold it like this, so this gives like a very casual look, but if you want something formal, you can just open it up, and I just realized that I can open this as well. Okay, cool. I love this. Next up, like I told you, मुझे कुछ colorful bottoms लेने थे, so I got these yellow pants. This I again got from Ajio. This has a very nice print going on. Like if you can see, very nice print, basic yellow color. I was like, मुझे थोड़े colorful bottoms लेने हैं. I'm not in love with this, but this was like very cheap. I got it for I guess 400 or 300. Also has a side cut, which is a good thing. And yeah, I don't love it a lot, but I like it. So मैंने ले लिया, and ठीक है, बहुत महंगा नहीं था, तो I'll just wear it. I know कभी ना कभी तो I am going to wear it, so yeah. Now what I have from Street Style store is this dress. The first thing is this dress is like very nice polka dot dress. It's not very, like, the fabric is not very comfortable, but it's nice, and I love the sleeve. It's like a very nice puffy sleeve. I can style this in winters as well with like my black colored woolen stockings. This also comes with a belt. Looks nice, very comfortable, very easy to carry. Next up is one of my favorite dresses. This is again from Street Style store. When I saw this online, I was like, oh my god, I need this in my life. So I got this, and this like a strappy dress. Also, if I haven't mentioned, I got this, the green dress, and one more jumpsuit जिसका मैंने size exchange कराना था, इसलिए I sent it. So jumpsuit मैंने medium size order किया था, but वो मुझे सही नहीं आया, तो like requested for exchange. तो वो on the way है, the second piece. And otherwise these 3 were for 1500, so like 500 for that green dress, 500 for this dress. Like, isn't it a steal? It comes with a zipper, so it's super comfortable. It's like very nice floral maroon dress, like maroon base with very big flowers, and I really like it. So I think I'm gonna wear this on Gargi's birthday. Yeah, I think I'm gonna wear it on Gargi's birthday. So those were all the clothes and everything what I got for myself. Now I have to show you what I got for Gargi. But before that, if you're wondering what I'm gonna wear on my birthday, what is my birthday outfit? So guys, my birthday outfit is something which I have designed. My mom has stitched it for me. I think most of you have seen it on Instagram. If not, then go watch it on my Instagram and do follow me there. And yeah, birthday vlog mein bhi dekhi jayega, of course. So basically I wanted a very nice gown type of a dress with a very nice sexy back, a V neckline, because V necklines are so trending, and I wanted a lot of ghera. So I thought कि मुझे कहीं मिलेगी नहीं, let me just ask my mom if she can stitch it for me, and of course she said yes. So मेरी dress तो मम्मा ने बनाई है, so yeah. And now it's time to show you what I got for Gargi. This time I haven't got a lot of things for her because this time my birthday gift to her is going to be, I'm gonna surprise her on her birthday. I know this video is going to go after Gargi's actual birthday, so Gargi ke birthday vlog mein you will see how I surprised and everything. But yeah, I'm gonna surprise her, so that's going to be her main gift this time, because I'm going to go from Chandigarh to Kethal on her birthday just to surprise her. So that's going to be her gift. Of course I'll get the decorations and cake and everything, so of course why not. And now let me show you what I actually got as materialistic things. So Gargi has renovation going on at her place, so I got her this cosmetic holder. I got this from Amazon. It's like a very nice, let me open it. So this is like a very nice cosmetic holder. You can like hold things right here. So कुछ भी कभी भी डाल लो, lipsticks डाल सकते हैं, makeup brushes and whatnot. Basically ये मैंने पता है क्यों लिया, let me tell you. Basically I got this makeup brushes for her. Guys, these are like so pretty. Can you see them? Like so freaking pretty. I haven't like opened them because मुझे गंदे हो जाएंगे. But yeah, I got makeup brushes for her because she is the one, like we are like opposites in terms of makeup. I love makeup and she hates it, but I know she should learn a little about makeup, so I thought कि मैं कुछ तो उसके लिए makeup जैसा ले लेती हूँ. So I got these makeup brushes and then I thought कि रखेगी कहाँ? Then I got this. So she can like keep her makeup brushes like this, of course open, and she can keep lipsticks and stuff here. So I got this, and I got her the wallet as well. So this is like a pure white wallet from Mango. Okay, you can see it right here. I haven't really opened it yet, but let me try to give you a sneak peek. So I have ordered it from Myntra. So this is how it looks like. Like it's a very pretty white wallet with some Mango branding written here. And I've not really opened it yet because I don't want to like ruin this dust, what do you call it, paper, dust paper. So yeah, this comes with a zipper and it has a lot of storage. So yes, I have already removed the price from here as well. I'm not gonna share the prices of these things because these are gifts, okay? These are not the gifts which I gifted to myself. This is something which I gifted to her. So yeah, and so these were her birthday gifts and these were all the gifts I gifted to myself. Hope you like this video. In this video I didn't mean to brag at all. I just got it because I wanted to, and touch wood I can afford to. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. मैं आपसे सब कुछ share करती हूँ, तो I thought why not this. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and I hope you like the video. I hope you like my haircut. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Gargi's birthday vlog is coming. My birthday vlog is coming. So stay tuned and I hope you're catching up on all the 23 videos.